In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix this app can't run on your PC in Windows. So all you have to do is just go. Example, if Adobe Premiere can't be open, so it must be have because of the Windows security. So let's go to Windows security. Now you could usually there's many tutorials how to deactivate fully the Windows security because this is just too much of security in your PC. That's why there are some errors like that. So, for example, that is in app and browser control. This is what I've turned off, the reputation based protection. But if you have a name here, apps and files, you must turn it off also. Mine is reputation based protection. As you can see, the setting to block potential unwanted apps is turned off. So that's why I turned it off. So if I turn on, there are some apps that won't be open because of this setting. So as you can see, all of its potential. You must turn off this also. Check apps and files. Off that and off this. And after that, if you have done turning all of this off, so maybe try that again, or maybe you just literally you have an app that locks the app, and after that, if it won't work, just reinstall your app and try again, and that's it.